Hey everyone, welcome to Dreamers Cast. If you're new to the channel, basically all I do is tell you a dream that I had. It can be good, bad, weird, whatever. Today, I'm going to talk about a dream I had last night. Okay, the stream starts out with me being an adult waking up. And when I wake up, I'm in a forge, well not forge, but I made my own blacksmith company where I make weapons, well, like knives and swords and axes and stuff like that. And what I was making was an axe, a dual-bladed axe. If any of you are good with weapon names, comment down below what it's called. Also, yes, I know that was bad, but yeah, who cares? Anyway, so I wake up and there's a customer, so I get up, go handle what was going on, and she goes, "Hi, I'm Rebecca of Rebecca Industries, and my cousin in the dream, my cousin needs an axe for chopping down trees." I go, "Okay, what type of axe is he looking for?" "He wants a dual-bladed axe." I go, "Okay, like a axe you would go to war with?" "Yeah, like that." So I make him his axe, and I did a top-notch job on it. Like, top-notch. Like, top-notch. And when I made him his axe, I made sure it was sharpened, and I made sure everything was casted to the highest degree. I had to weld, I had to do a bunch of other stuff. And how the axe came out was pretty good. Again, top notch. Top notch. So, on the handle, since I'm planning on diversifying, I made glass in the leather handle. It was tempered glass. It was pretty hard to break, and I had it running along in a spiral. Not quite, but anyway, it wrapped around the handle and up on the neck of the axe. I did some like swirls to kind of make it look good. I'm not gonna say pretty, but just good. And yeah, I liked how it turned out. The customer liked how it turned out. And I gotta say, she was pretty generous. She gave me $5 million for an axe that would only cost a few hundred. I'm going to guess. So, I got $5 million from making a single axe. I went back into my forge. I looked at what it needed to be updated, and yeah, I bought some new stuff for my forge and to make glass with $5 million. So I was pretty happy about that when I woke up, and then I realized it was a dream. So yeah, hopefully it's well, not deja vu, but hopefully I'm just looking into the future through my dreams. Yeah, that sounds even worse. But it's happened before. Yeah, it's happened before. I'm still waiting for something to happen. For this one dream where I had where I was in my room, and in my room I have an old big TV. Like, it's a really old TV, but it's really big and it's basically just a huge cardboard box that you can watch TV on. And I was making a family tree. And yeah, I'm not too keen on making family trees, because then, I don't know, I just never wanted to. So when I was making this family tree, I was calling my dad, and he goes, we have Roberto, somebody. I don't want to use their real names, so yeah. So in my dream when I was making that, yeah, just everything cut out. Yeah. So, pretty cool. Well, that'll do it for today's Dreamers Cast. Make sure to go to bed early to cast out your line. See you next time. Get some good dreams.